What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing Starfire from Teen Titans Go. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top of our circle, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top of that circle, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's trace each of these circles along the inside. So we'll start with the left, just leave an even space gap all the way around, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So bring that in and back out. Line that up on the right. And then fill that center circle in black going around that highlight. And now from here we're drawing the upper eyelid. Starting from the inside edge of the left eye, let's curve this up, around the eye, and then bend that down towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, and then bending that back down. Now from here we're going to add some thick lashes. Starting from the end, curve this out and up. And let's just taper this back in so it gets a little bit thicker. Let's add another curve, going a little bit longer and then up. Let's flatten off the end with a straight angle line, going up toward the top. Just taper that back down towards the eyelid. Now I just want to curve the eyelid going up and just blend that down towards the inside. Let's fill the eyelashes in black. Now let's draw the lower eyelid. From this point, we're going to step down, curve this down underneath the eye, and just bend that in. Let's move to the center and draw the nose. Starting on the left, curve this up, round out the nose, and then bend that back down. Now we're going to step down and draw the mouth. Starting over on the left, down, and up. And now we're going to move back up and draw in the hair. Let's start right in the center of the forehead. Start with a point. From this point, we're going to bend this up and out towards the top left, and then the right. From the left side, we're just going to bend this around and pull that in toward the top of the eyelid. Let's add that point. Curve this out and then up. Now going back to the left side, we're going to step down, bend this around, go up, and then in towards the top. Now from the top, we just want to bend this in and then down towards that center point. And we'll close off the top of the head with a curve, going up and then down. Let's add the eyebrows along the top. We're going to start on the left, bend this out and up. Let's line this up on the right. Now you want to round up the top, come down, and just bend that back out towards a point. Now from here we're going to move out and draw the side of the head. Let's start underneath the hair on the left side. Just going to curve this out, around the eyelash, and then down towards the jaw. And do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the jaw, come down, and then in towards the chin, towards the center point. Round out the chin, go across, and then back up towards the right side. And then from here, we're going to add those 2 strands of hair along the side of the head. From the jaw, we're going to step in, bend this down, and then in. And we'll add that point. Curve this out, and then up. Now from this point, we're going to step back down, curve out, bend this up around the head, and then pull that in towards the eyelash. Let's stick the ears in behind the hair. Starting back over on the left, bend the ear, going up, come down, and then back in. Let's line that up on the right. Now we're going to draw the back side of the hair. Starting from the left side, bend this out, and then down in behind the ears. Now before we draw on the rest of the hair, let's draw on the body. Let's start on the left side of the chin. Start with the collar, coming down and then up. From the side of the collar, draw a straight angled line coming down and out. Now angle this back down and then in towards the center. And we'll close off the bottom. Let's add an oval in the center. Draw a small circle along the top, and we'll fill the bottom half in black. Let's add a trim on the left side of that oval, bend this up and then out towards the top of the shoulders. Now from these 2 points, we're going to step up and draw on the side of the body. Curve this out and bend that in towards the hip on both sides. Let's connect the hips with a curve, moving down and up. Along the center, we draw an oval and go all the way up towards the top and then back down. And then from the hips, we'll step up, draw a straight angle line coming in towards the side of the oval. Let's add a line going across the center of the body. Now going back to the hips, we draw the side of the skirt, bending this out and then down. Connect the ends with a curve, going down and then up. Now we move to the center and draw a straight line coming down in between the legs, and then we'll separate the feet, curving down and out toward the left and right side. Let's draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the left, curve this out, go up, and then in. Now I want to trace the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, come in towards that center point, bend this back up toward the center line, and we'll do the same thing on the right. From the top of the legs, we're going to step down, add a curve, going down and up, step down, draw that again. And now we're going to move back up and draw the inside edge of the arms. Starting halfway down the side of the body, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumbs. Close off the ends with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Step down, go out, and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we're just going to go out, blend this into the arm, and then go up underneath the shoulder, leaving a little overlap along the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add some detail to the forearms. Let's start from the top of the thumb, bend this out and then down. Draw a straight angle line going across the fingers and up towards the side of the hand. Let's move up along the side of the arm, bend this down and then in. And then on the side, we're going to draw an oval, coming in and then back out. Let's add a small circle along the top of the ovals. And we'll fill the bottom half in black. Let's add the trim along the inside. Start from the inside of the oval, angle down and in, angle this up, and then back in. Now we're also going to add that armband across the top of the right arm. Starting from the side of the body, bend this out and up, step down, and draw that again. Now with the body in place, we can finish off the hair. Let's start underneath the left ear, bend the hair coming around, come down and in underneath the hand, and then just curve this back out towards the end. Just bend this down and in, and then we'll add another point, coming down and out, and just bend this in behind the leg. Now I'm going to go over towards the right side and add a curve coming around the hand and back in, aiming towards this point. So we'll start underneath the ear, go all the way around and then in. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Starfire from Teen Titans Go. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.